Hi, I'm Jenica Cassidy. I'm an attorney here at Lurch, Early & Brewer in the Trust and Estates Practice Group, and I work with clients on a variety of matters, including adult guardianship. Adult guardianship is when the court appoints someone to act on behalf of someone else and to make decisions for them. And this is for adults who have been determined by their medical professionals to lack capacity to handle their own affairs and make their own decisions. Here in Maryland, we have two types of adult guardianship. We have guardianship of the person and guardianship of the property. Guardianship of the person is for all things related to healthcare and personal matters, such things like deciding where to live and providing consent for a medical procedure or for medication changes. Guardianship of the property is all matters relating to finances. This is such things as accessing someone's income, paying their bills, speaking to their insurance company, things like this. Guardianship is intended for adults who lack capacity and they need assistance with making decisions and handling their own affairs, and they haven't done any pre-planning, meaning they have not previously signed an advance directive or a power of attorney where they've named someone else who can step in and handle their affairs, whether that's financial or personal, should there come a time when they lack capacity. And this could be adults who are old, adults who are young. This could be someone who is out riding a bike one day and they tragically get hit by a car and they end up in the hospital and they need a guardian. Or this could be an elderly individual who has a stroke or who has been diagnosed with dementia and they need assistance with making decisions or handling their own affairs. So it's a wide spectrum of people that may need a guardianship. In terms of how it works, the court takes guardianship very seriously because it's essentially shifting control over all aspects of an individual's life over to someone else. And so someone who is seeking a guardianship over someone else, they're going to file a petition with the court, and with that petition, they are going to file certificates of incapacity completed by the individual's medical professionals, verifying that they are disabled, that they lack capacity. That individual is also responsible for notifying other people who are close to the alleged disabled adult about the guardianship, and those individuals have an opportunity to respond to the guardianship petition. The court is also going to appoint an attorney whose sole job is to represent the alleged disabled individual and to act on their behalf in front of the court. And then the court is going to hold a hearing where a variety of things could happen. If it's contested, it could even go to a trial or a jury trial. So guardianship, it's intended to be an option of last resort when all other options have been exhausted. It's an essential and an important tool that's available for folks who need it, but it's really best to be avoided if possible. So some great ways to do that are pre-planning. One option is to complete an advance directive for healthcare decision making, where you can name a trusted individual to help you out if you end up in a situation where you lack capacity. Another thing I recommend is to complete a power of attorney for finances. Similarly, you can name someone to handle your finances should there come a time when you're not able to do so on your own. So I encourage you to do this pre-planning. If you haven't already done so, feel free to give us a call, reach out to me directly, and I'd be happy to assist.